Ever wondered if you could get SLR quality portraits right from your smartphone? Well, the new Honor 200 Pro promises just that and more. This latest addition to the Honor series is making waves with its top-tier AI-powered portrait photography. With its sleek design, powerful Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 processor, and dazzling display, the 200 Pro is set to redefine your mobile experience. So stick around to see if it's the right choice for you. The first thing you'll notice about the Honor 200 Pro is its stunning design, crafted to catch the eye and feel great in the hand. The streamlined design is not just about looks, it's about comfort too. The quad-curved screen seamlessly flows into the body, making it super easy to hold. It comes in 4 beautiful colors: blue, pink, white, and black. Each color option has its own unique vibe, so there's something for everyone. The back of the phone has a luxurious matte finish that looks premium and keeps fingerprints at bay. The central focus of the design is the camera module, which has an artistic, symmetrical layout inspired by Art Nouveau. One standout feature is the phone's lightweight and slim profile. Despite packing a lot of tech under the hood, it remains sleek and easy to carry around. The build quality is top-notch, with a sturdy frame that feels solid and durable. Plus, the IP55 rating means it can handle splashes and dust. Now, let's talk about the display, which is one of the highlights of the Honor 200 Pro. The phone features a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with Honor Oasis eye protection that's truly a sight to behold, delivers vibrant colors, and has deep blacks, making everything look absolutely stunning. In addition, the screen's floating quad-curved design looks futuristic and reduces edges, enhancing the overall viewing experience. The resolution is top-notch at 2700 and 1224 pixels, providing crisp and clear visuals. The display also boasts a peak brightness of 4000 nits, which means you can easily use your phone even in bright sunlight without any issues. The 120Hz refresh rate is another game changer that feels incredibly smooth and responsive. It's a feature that, once you experience it, you won't want to live without. The display also supports HDR10+, which means you get better contrast and more vivid colors. But what really sets this screen apart is its eye protection features. Honor has packed in some serious tech here, including 3840Hz ultra-high-frequency PWM dimming, natural color display 2.0, AI sleep aid display, and natural light eye protection. This means you can use your phone for extended periods without straining your eyes. When it comes to performance, the Honor 200 Pro doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, it's powered by the latest Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 processor, which is built using TSMC's advanced 4nm process technology. This means you get top-of-the-line performance that's both powerful and efficient. Regarding memory and storage, it offers up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 trillion bytes of internal storage. The Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 is paired with Honor's proprietary GPU Turbo X technology, which enhances gaming performance by improving touch response and visual quality. This combination ensures that games run smoothly and look fantastic, even at the highest settings. Popular titles like Genshin Impact and Call of Duty Mobile ran flawlessly during our testing, with no lag or stuttering. During real-world gaming tests, the Honor 200 Pro maintained an average frame rate of 60 FPS on Genshin Impact at ultra settings, with a maximum temperature of 40 degrees Celsius after 30 minutes of gameplay. But it's not just about raw power, it also excels in thermal management. The phone features an innovative cooling system. Another standout feature of the Honor 200 Pro is its impressive battery life. Equipped with a massive 5200 mAh battery, this phone is built to last all day in moderate use and often well into the next. Even with heavy usage, such as gaming, it still delivers solid endurance, ensuring you won't scramble for a charger before the day ends. Regarding charging, it doesn't disappoint either. The 100-watt wired super-fast charge is a game-changer, getting you from 0 to 100% in just about 30 minutes. For those who prefer the convenience of wireless charging, the phone also supports 66W wireless fast charging, which is a rare feature at this price point. In our tests, it reached 50% battery in just 15 minutes using wired charging, and a full charge took approximately 30 minutes. The wireless charging, while slightly slower, still managed an impressive 50% charge in around 30 minutes, and a full charge in just under an hour. The Honor 200 Pro's camera system is where this phone truly shines, setting a new standard for mobile photography. It is equipped with a triple camera setup, including a 50-megapixel Honor customized H9000 SLR level main camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide angle lens. The main camera delivers crisp and vibrant photos, even in challenging lighting conditions. Thanks to its large 1.3-inch sensor and OIS, optical image stabilization, you get bright, sharp images with excellent dynamic range and minimal noise. The telephoto lens, with its 2.5x optical zoom, lets you get closer to the action without losing quality. Speaking of portraits, the Honor 200 Pro takes mobile portrait photography to the next level with its collaboration with Paris Photography Studio. The phone's AI-powered light and shadow portrait master offers 3 distinct modes: vivid, texture, and classic. These modes replicate professional studio lighting effects, allowing you to take stunning, high-quality portraits easily. The ultra-wide-angle lens broadens your creative horizons, enabling you to capture expansive landscapes or fit more into your frame without distortion. It's also great for taking group photos where everyone can fit comfortably in the shot. The Honor 200 Pro supports 4K video recording, ensuring crisp and detailed videos. Electronic image stabilization, EIS, and optical image stabilization, OIS, work together to deliver smooth, shake-free footage, even when you're on the move. The front camera is equally impressive, boasting a 50-megapixel sensor that delivers clear and detailed selfies. With features like AI beautification and portrait lighting effects, your selfies will always look ready, even in low light. Regarding software and user experience, the Honor 200 Pro truly excels, offering a seamless and enjoyable interface. Running on macOS 8.0, Honor's custom skin based on Android, the phone provides a blend of efficiency, customization, and smooth performance that users will appreciate. One of the software's standout features is its AI capabilities. The system is packed with smart features that learn from your usage patterns and adapt to provide a personalized experience. For instance, the Smart Capsule feature offers context-aware suggestions, such as shortcuts to frequently used apps or actions based on your routine. This means less time fumbling through menus and more time getting things done. The Anywhere Door feature is particularly handy for multitaskers. It allows you to drag text, images, or files from one app to another seamlessly, improving productivity and making multitasking a breeze. Now let's talk about the all-important question. Is the Honor 200 Pro worth your money? Priced around $560, this phone packs a punch with its high-end features and performance, making it a strong contender in the mid to high-end market. Click the link below in the description to get one on AliExpress today and take advantage of this fantastic deal. Don't miss out on owning one of the best phones on the market.